Our discussion of the 3 fundamental techniques of dependency injection is complete. And at this point, you might be asking yourself, well, I know the 3 fundamental techniques and I can actually use them. Do I know everything I need to know about dependency injection? Can I use dependency injection in my projects now? And if you actually go and attempt to use what we learned, you will inevitably bump into several questions which are outside the scope of fundamental techniques. Questions like, until now we assumed that all the dependencies will be injected into clients from outside, but inevitably there should be some place where these services are instantiated. Where is that place? And who actually injects the services into clients? And you might have heard about dependency injection frameworks, or maybe even you are using dependency injection frameworks right now, and you kind of ask yourself, well, if it boils down to constructor method and field injection, why dependency injection frameworks are so complicated? And many other questions. And if you keep asking yourself all these questions and you keep thinking about that, you will eventually come to this one single question, which is there a large-scale structure? Is there something about dependency injection which is larger than just the fundamental techniques that I need to know in order to make use of dependency injection in my projects? And the answer to this question is yes, there is. We will discuss this large-scale structure in the next module. However, before you proceed to the next module, I will ask you to make a pause and go watch this talk by Sandy Metz, which is titled Nothing is Something. While watching this talk is not required in order to understand the rest of this course, it will make you a better programmer. Among other things, Sandy showed how you can use dependency injection in order to write good code. In addition, this idea of nothing is something is really powerful, and we will make use of it several times during this course. So yes, you should definitely go and watch this talk. Sandy is a great presenter, very engaging and funny. Probably one of the best presenters I've ever seen. Watch this talk and you will thank me later.